Hi guys, Ben here at Cult Motorcycles. I'm going to do a quick video walk around of our K1300 GT that we've got in at the moment. It's a 2009. It's done 31,000 miles. Good service history with it. Really good spec. It's got heated grips, heated seats, front and rear. It's got the full pannier set. What else we've got? Electric screen, electric suspension, cruise control. So yeah, it's got an all standard, which is really nice. So I'll give a walk around, point out any little defects that I can find. I mean, it's done 31,000 miles, but it's exceptionally clean. A couple of tiny little stone chips on the front, but very, very minor. Mudguard, really nice and clean. Wheel paint is pretty exceptional. There's hardly a mark to it. Tyres are nearly new. Fairings are unmarked. Tank again is unmarked. All the switch gear around the yoke, really nice and clean. Seats really clean, no damage at all. Casings are really good. A tiny little bit of bubbling just in there, but very, very minute. Panniers, a couple of tiny little marks, stone chips. No big scuffs or scratches. Exhaust is perfect. Rear wheel, again, rear wheel paint is really clean. And that was a new tyre recently as well. All the boxes are really good. Well, they have tiny marks, no damage to them. Swing arm is nice and clean. Where they all go on these, there's a little bit of spidering just around the final drive, but very minor. Rest of it, the frame, casings on this side, and all the plastics are really clean. No damage at all. It's got a great service history with it. That'll all be detailed in the advert. Fire it up. Warning lights, as soon as you ride off, they go off as it sets itself. So there you go, really clean example, 31,000 miles, but does not look it at all. Good history. Any questions, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks for watching.